west. It is, I said 7:30. We're heading to the Loves on I-20. We've got 22 minutes left. From my recollection, this Loves isn't the nicest. We'll either stay there or we'll go on down further towards Augusta to the Pilot. We'll figure that out though when we get there, get whatever. Nice moon tonight. We got some night video for the first time in a while. There's some road video for the first time in a while. Where does that go? 17. Thompson 23. Ren's. We're not going that far tonight. JP's. There's a truck stop over there. We can stay over there. They got a bunch of trucks over there. Be a nice place to stay. Won't have the rowdiness of I-20. US 378. To I-20. To our left. I wonder if that's old 70. Thompson 22. It says we are 20 minutes from the Loves. Didn't have us about 8 o'clock. That's what we figured. We get some videos edited and start uploading. The back is a scramble. I wasn't planning on doing anything, so I got a bunch of junk piled back there. Yeah, we are busy. I got a lot to do this week, and I got a cat sit week after next. Then we start doing our eye cataract surgery. We won't get cleared back up as far as having any time to do anything until the end of October. Since we filled up with gas. Since we changed this computer, the transmission is shifting smoother and it's shifting better, shifting at a little bit lower speeds. I think we're getting better gas mileage. We only got 11.6 the other day, but we were pulled that other Jeep back in third gear. I didn't let it get into overdrive. I don't think that's bad at all. I'm hoping I our gas mileage will increase to about 13 and a half or 14. We'll see. Yeah, with that, I got them to delete the immobilizer program on it, or the security, whatever you want to call it, anti-theft deterrent. And they also update the software. It's been, what, 25 years this spring. So they've probably got better settings for the engine to run and stuff like that. So we got all the latest updates and everything plugged in now. Send my other computer in and have them do it too. I just bought one that was already had the immobilizer deleted and the other software firmware updated. But I'm gonna send mine, and it was $190, $214 with shipping, expedited shipping. It would have been free shipping, but I got expedited. And but if you send your own computer in, it's $125. You know, I think there is a wildlife management area right around here where we're at that may have campsites. National Forest. We're recording this with the Samsung S22 Ultra. It gets better low light, or now on the automatic settings, it gets better low light than the GoPro or the Osmo. If I learn how to use the settings for the GoPro and the Osmo, they may do just as well. But with it on automatic, the phone cameras do better. Well, it's cooling off right nicely. Feels like it's got down to low settings. Supposed to be in the mid to high 60s tonight. It'll be nice sleeping. This jackrabbit cut over in front of the other one. He cut right over in front of this car. They're coming around me. Except for headed back to the shop on the east side of Athens, this would be a good way to come back, too. We may come back up 278 though. If we end up getting down to that swing bridge, which is my intention. I'm not sure which way we'll go back. But we want to do some bike riding, we want to do some fishing, we want to do some drone video. We're going to use the Insta360. I need to hook the Insta360 onto the drone. Google and see how far out we are from that swing bridge. We may go a little further east or south, whichever. We'll see which way. We'll Google, see which way is the best way to go, and see if we want to continue or just hang here or hang at the Lowe's up there. Nice to be able to see this instrument cluster. Boy, the moon looks like it's gotten a lot bigger since we've come further east. It's gotten further higher in the sky. Boy, I want to get back to South Georgia. We may end up down there. There's no telling. We could end up down there tomorrow. Go by the swing bridge and head south. Get down, see the Scintilla River, the St. Mary's. Get out to Ceylon East Wildlife Management Area, do some fishing. I didn't bring the inflatable kayak. I wasn't planning on. I wasn't even planning. When I left the shop this afternoon, when I left Frank's, I wasn't even planning on going anywhere this tonight. Still with us for this. What are we, 14 minutes into it? We got one on the GoPro that's a little over 15 minutes. We'll get this maybe 15, 16 minutes. We got, what, 13 more minutes to go to the Loves. Don't look back here in the back, it's a scramble. Big rig coming up on us. Come on around, big boy. We'd like to get some train video and walk some train tracks down here too. Maybe find some interesting locomotives. We could spend the day in Augusta, I have no doubt. We could spend 2 or 3 days in Augusta. Winter's coming on and I don't have a job lined up. Need to put an ad in Port St. Joe, Panama City, Homestead, down around the Everglades. Boy, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? Get a job down at Homestead and find a place to stay. Down to the Keys. I made it to the, barely made it to the Keys when I was down doing wind mitigation, but I didn't, just the first one, I didn't go all the way down. I would like to go down and check them out. drive down there for the winter. I didn't bring the, oh well, I didn't think about going down there anyway. We could, you know, that'd give us an opportunity to use an underwater drone. Okay, I think I'll turn this one off. This will be a wrap. This one is 17 minutes. Well, that's got us a little bit longer one. Then we got a, what, 2 10s, 14.